at Valley of a Thousand Hills today with this epic sunrise, and we're going to set up a time lapse and do some drone hyperlapses of it, and yeah, it's looking amazing.
To shoot in kwa-zulu, so we're gonna show like the emptiness of the huts. You never ask for a better day though.
Look at that view.
So you did. Yeah, with Tristan, he's showing us the the baby crocs.
Inside, if it wriggles, it wriggles. It can't get you from it.
What's happening there?
Holding my first time holding a baby alligator.
Have you been bitten before?
Everything bites. You work with it long enough, it's going to bite.
Well, the perks to working in film, you get to touch baby crocodiles. Yeah, turn him slowly. Is he gonna bolt when he takes the...
Yeah, he might turn around and try snap at you. Don't drop it, put it down on the ground and just let go your front leg, your front hand.
Okay, wait.
You'll do it.
Put it, go low, go on your haunches and go down on the ground.
That's the thing, and just get that hand away fast.
Which one?
Both. The front
he's
one.
Turning. Yeah, you take. He's bound with me. Got him.
Yeah.
Is it too good to be
Super chilled.
He knew.
There's so much, but I can't trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to.
So let me try and get the story straight. So Mandela in 1994 came here to vote national and provincial. And what he did was he went outside to vote national, and he came inside here to vote provincial. And then after that he went up to Dube's gravesite and he said to him that now South Africa is free.
You value how I'm feeling.
It's a very awesome story to think back in the day Nelson Mandela voted here and became our president in 1994.
We here at Mahatma Gandhi House in Phoenix area, Inanda, Phoenix area.
We've been asked by in the news to show that these tourism destinations aren't really getting much much foot traffic, you know. So I think it's quite important for us, like after this lockdown, to go and visit these sites and like support the industry, you know, because there's not going to be much people wanting to go out, but rather consider that they're not going to be making much money over the period anyway, you know.
Yeah, support local. Thousand Hills has a ton of stuff to offer. There's the heritage route. There's museums along the way. There's so much culture and history along this route that is just right in our backyard for KZN guys.
I don't realize exactly what we have here. You know, we've got everything that international travel has too, you know.
And like Tim says, just support local. I think the local tourism industry really needs it after the lockdown.
Is it too good to be true?